Namaste loves, I'm Preeti, a makeup artist, fashionista and also run a training program for makeup. So if you are interested then please do subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. Without further ado, let's get into the video. For today I'm going to start with a Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This one is Dewy Primer, just so that if you have like a combination or dry problematic skin, this will help your pores to not to get unclogged. I have noticed couple of matte primers, they do unclog your pores, and actually that is why my skin has got so much problematic because of those products. So yeah, then I'm going to take both of this shade and create my own color. First I'm going to take that Kryolan concealer in a shade Ivory and I'm going to apply with this flat brush. As you could see here, this way I could get a little bit more of a precise effect. And then I'm going to take this NG1 contour shade and like contour my face very slightly, very slightly. I'm not using natural light, that is why I actually cannot see. As you could see into background, there is like my bulb is visible. That is the only light that I have right now, but I'm trying to get used to of more of natural lights. Then we will blend everything out with our damp beauty blender. I feel like damp beauty blender gives you a lot more of dewy coverage look and like natural finish into my opinion. I have used couple of time like brushes and everything, and I feel like they do spread out lot more of infection with their bristles. If you have like a breakouts, then it could cause you a lot more of trouble. Instead, if you use like a damp beauty blender, this will give you a little bit more coverage, but it will also give you like a natural finish look. As you could see right here, I am first trying to blend my concealer, then I am going to blend my contour shade from another side of that beauty blender. Then we will blend our contour shade, and I'm going to blend little bit towards my cheek area because I was actually not going to apply blush, but because this is like a makeup tutorial and I'm going to show you guys, that is why I'm applying it. Then I have this Elizabeth Arden travel size oil, and I applied it to my eyelids and also to my lips. Then for blush, I took this Smashbox blush palette and I took that peachish color. You could take pink also, but peach is little bit like a soft tone. You could use a liquid or cream blush, that will also be the best. Then to curl my lashes, I took this Maybelline lash curler. This one is like a copperish golden color and it's really one of the best the way it looks, and it's really affordable. I got this in 150 rupees, which is I mean it's really cheap, don't you think? Then again I took this Elizabeth Arden and I actually forgot to apply this to my eyelids. Here you could see this will give us little bit more of oily and natural sebum effect. Then moving on to mascara, I use this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara, and these bristles are tilted so it gets little bit easy application, and I'm actually not trying to apply it that much. As you could see here, I try to reduce as much as product as possible on my face. Normally when I'm trying to get like a little bit more natural makeup look for my clothing haul or something like that, I try to reduce product onto my face. That way, you know, I could look a lot more natural. I really wish back in the days in my college or school days, if I could have been able to do like a makeup, then this would have been definitely one of my go-to makeup look. For highlighter, I took this Revlon travel size highlighter maybe, and I'm going to highlight my cheekbone, nose, and also my cupid bone. This will give us a little bit more of shine see-through effect, but if you have a liquid highlighter, that will look also stunning. So yeah, this is the finished look. If this video was worth enough, then please give this video a thumbs up. Also follow me onto my socials. Please don't forget to leave a comment down below what you guys want to see next. And yeah, bye. Thank you for watching.